Welcome to In This Speed. We are talking about top 5 best RC car track in 2024. So number 1, the Ontel Magic Trax Racetrack is a fun and flexible toy that offers endless entertainment for young children. The track pieces are easy to assemble and can be bent and reshaped into various configurations, sparking creativity. The glow-in-the-dark feature adds an extra layer of excitement. However, some users might find the track pieces a bit flimsy, requiring careful handling to ensure longevity. Overall, it's a great gift for kids who enjoy imaginative play. Number 2, the AGM Masech Electric Vehicles Control Set offers an engaging and fun racing experience with its innovative track and hand controls. The high-speed vehicles and detailed track design provide an immersive and exciting gameplay. Ideal for both kids and adults, this set combines quality and entertainment, though setting up the track can be time-consuming. Overall, it's a great addition for racing enthusiasts looking for a thrilling and interactive toy. Number 3, the Scalextric Micro Hypercars Race Slot Car Set offers an exciting introduction to slot car racing for young enthusiasts. With adjustable speed settings on the hand controllers, it's perfect for beginners and provides hours of fun. The set includes 2 highly detailed 1-hour 64-minute scale cars and a track layout that's easy to assemble. While the track size might be a bit small for older users, it's an excellent choice for kids and newcomers to the hobby. Number 4, the NHT Electric Skateboard is a versatile and reliable choice with its 350W hub motor and remote control functionality. It offers a top speed of 12 miles per hour and a range of up to 10 miles, suitable for short commutes and recreational use. The board's sturdy build and smooth ride quality are commendable, although its range might be a bit limited for longer journeys. Overall, it's a solid option for beginners and casual riders. Number 5, the Carrera Go Minions Kart Racing Set is a delightful and engaging toy for children, featuring beloved Minions characters. This 143 scale slot car racing set is battery-operated, making it convenient and portable. The track is easy to assemble, and the cars are fast and fun, providing hours of entertainment. However, the battery life could be better, and some users might find the track size somewhat limiting for more expansive layouts. Overall, it's a great choice for young racing enthusiasts and fans of the Minions.